I can then get that done. I'm there straight away. I've got the 3 plugins that I'll need. I won't need any more than 1 compressor. I won't need any more than 1 EQ. Everyone's stuck for time these days. Everybody wants things quicker. Time is of the essence, which is why I'm going to tell you how I think you should master tracks a little bit quicker rather than fanning around forever and not ever getting anywhere. Now, my top tips for this are, you want to get yourself a mastering template made up, especially for mastering. So you've got your mix template, which you'd use, and you've mixed and you've produced and blah, blah. Put all that to one side. Go into your mastering template, bring your stereo track into your mastering template, have 3 things in there. So what I would have is 1 compressor, 1 limiter, and 1 EQ. I would make sure that I learn those, get the best ones I could. Basically, you could just get FabFilter, that'll probably do you. Then I would learn those really well. I would start using some presets to get yourself going with that. And that's what I would do, just for quick mastering. So, okay, I'm in a template, I can bang the stereo track in, whether that's my stereo track that I've been making because I'm a producer, or whether someone else has given me a track and they want it mastered. I can then get that done. I'm there straight away. I've got the 3 plugins that I'll need. I won't need any more than 1 compressor. I won't need any more than 1 EQ, because I know that when I started, that's all I had. And I had a digital EQ, which was basically a Vice like I've got now, but I had it in a big system. And I had a compressor, but I didn't know how to use it, so that didn't get used. And I had a limiter where I'd just turn things up by a couple of dB. So I was doing, straight out the box with that stuff there, I was doing masters for big artists like Groove Armada and things like that in the early 2000s, late 90s. So I was doing some big records, and all I was using was an EQ, kind of using a compressor when I wasn't scared of what it meant on the front, and a limiter. So that was me starting off, and I was using those. And if I'm totally honest, I try and use less than that now. So if I can get away with just doing a couple of EQ tweaks, not compressing at all, and only limiting, then I'm really happy with the job that I've done. Because a lot of the time I'll find that I'm adding loads and loads of things in with loads of different bits of equipment, and then I listen to the A/B of it, the before and after, and I realise actually if I just did 1 tweak to the low end, I would get the same effect of all those things that I've put in. Because what you tend to do a lot of the times is you'll lift here, lift here, lift here, cut here, and all you're doing is taking away or lifting from other places, and you're just moving things around for the hell of it. It's not actually adding to the sound, it's just, well, it is adding to the sound, it's adding more noise a lot of the time, or it's adding a lot more kind of flabbiness and noise and things that you don't want. So a lot of the times, just by doing that 1 tweak in the right place, you can eliminate all the other things that you were doing, bring it up to the level that you need to get it at, and then you're done. So the limiter is going to bring it up to the level, the EQ is going to do the tweaks, and if you want a compressor, all the compressor's doing is just kind of gluing it a little bit more together if things are a little bit spiky. So apart from that, the only other things you might need after that is you'll start bringing in different flavours of stuff and things, but that's when you start getting a bit more advanced, and it's going to take you loads of time. So I'm telling you today how to do it quickly, template, 3 plugins max, and then get on with it and move on. If you're liking these kind of tips, then please subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you'd like me to talk about. I'm here every day discussing this. Please go to my website, streaky.com, and sign up for my newsletter. It's called the Audio Anoraks newsletter, so make sure you become an Audio Anorak. It's 1 email a month. I give you tips, tricks, and I give you discounts and giveaways of equipment, plugins that plugin manufacturers and also hardware manufacturers give me discounts, so they go out to the Audio Anoraks, and also anything that I see around the web or I get told about, I put on there too. So there's about 25,000 people on there, so make sure you're one of them. Get yourself over to streaky.com, sign up for my email, Audio Anoraks, subscribe to the channel, like the channel. See you next time. Bye.